Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Born Pretty haul for you guys. I have their new liquid chrome, so I'm excited to try those. I'm gonna show you how I mix it up, and then I have a couple other gel polishes that I am going to swatch for you guys. But first, I want to show you these. I picked these up. They had a gift card that they had sent me, so I was able to purchase some of these, and then you just like pay the difference. So I loved these black stars. I thought it would be perfect to do kind of like a rainbow look, actually kind of similar like this, and then put the dark over it. I thought that would be really cute to do. All right, first up we have the 01 Pretty Champagne. Ooh, I like that color. And we're gonna do my favorite. Oh, looks like I had a little bit of a divot there. That's okay. Next up is the 09, which is their light pink one. Super pretty. I like that. So these are the two that I picked up from the Sea Blue collection. Pretty. All right, so then we have these guys, and these are also magnetic. I believe these are the ones that are jelly. These look pretty opaque, so I could have just lied. So I'm going to do a nice thin even coat. Yeah, I think these are the jelly ones. That's pretty opaque though. Here is the 06. Super pretty. Here is 07. Nice pretty red. And I'm literally scraping this on. I'm not the best with jellies, so I'm trying to keep it easy. Here is the 07. Look at that bad boy. And last but not least, we have 01. This one might be my favorite. Here is the 01, and this hands down is my favorite. Like, look at that. All right, here are the different cat eyes that I swatched. Like, I'm obsessed with that one. Like, look at that. Oh, obsessed. All of them are amazing. As you guys know, cat eyes are some of my favorite to do. All right, now we have the liquid chromes. So just shake them up. So what is this, just gonna be like alcohol and chrome powder? That dried super fast. You can see it kind of going. This would be great for marbling. Here they are, just on their own. I want to try applying it as if like we were going to apply chrome, but I like that I could, you know, use that for marbling. I'm just gonna grab my Kira Sky No Wipe because it is right here. It's seen many better days. Okay, gonna give that a second and then cure for 15 seconds. I have to shake this up again. So I would say you probably have to shake it every single time you use it. Like even in between your nails. Okay. And then I'll rub it in. It worked. Look at that. I guess I have chrome on my nails, so it's probably a really bad example. Let me put some color on. That's probably significantly easier to see too. Oh, don't rub it in. That worked on the other one. I just flung that everywhere. Here now, I guess you can see the different colors. But it didn't like when I rubbed it in. I'm gonna try my foil glue, because this just could be bad. Alright, I'm gonna take the McCart foil glue. Again, close and shake. That one was significantly better. Not gonna lie, this close and shake is really annoying. That one was significantly better. Let's try the rub test one more time. Just shook it up. Like, do I give it a second? No? Maybe wait for it to dry. Okay, it's dry. Mostly. I mean, technically. Here we go. Here's me rubbing it into the foil. These are the two chromes compared. This is like a normal chrome, and then this is what I did with the other one. So I'm gonna pass for these as far as chrome powders. Like, it's not a replacement for your chrome powder. However, I like it for marbling. You know, let me paint some black under here so you guys can see it. Now look at how awesome these are for marbling. Like, look at, I didn't do anything. Like, literally nothing. And that's how they came out. Like, I like them a lot for marbling, and I will definitely use them for marbling, but they will not replace my chrome powders. All right, I would like to thank Born Pretty for sending these over along with the gift card so I can purchase a few different items that I wanted to try. And I will make sure to link anything down below if you guys want to get it for yourself, and I'll also try to find it on Amazon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.